Good morning and welcome back to Music with Mr. T. Today is September 15th and it is known as International Dot Day. Now, International Dot Day is usually established to celebrate creativity, courage, and collaboration and is one of the most fun days of the year, celebrated by children, celebrated by adults. There's lots of Dot Day activities, there's art projects, books, all kinds of things. There's even a book about Dot Day. This is what the book's title is. And so I don't teach art though, I teach music, remember? Music with Mr. T, the name of this channel, what I do. Anyway, I'm going to share with you how we're going to celebrate Dot Day in music class. And the way we're going to do that is by reviewing rhythm, talking about rhythm, and finding out what the dot does to our musical notes. Take a quick look. All right, in thinking about what the dot looks like, remember the musical dot is just a simple little dot. You can't see that? Now you can. There's our musical dot, just like that. So we're going to go through each of our note values in rests, name them, and describe what is going to be the value. So first we have up the single eighth note and the single eighth rest. We know that is worth 1/2 of a beat. And if we want to know half of the value of the half note, that is going to actually end up being 1/4 of the beat. So then 1/4 of the beat is going to be a 16th note. We take our 8th note, which is half a beat, plus the 16th note, which is 1/4 of a beat, and that's going to give us 3/4 of a beat, and that note is going to look like this. There's our dotted 8th note. Next, we have the quarter note. Quarter note's equal to 1 beat. Quarter rest is also equal to 1 beat as well. Half of 1 is 1/2. We know that from the previous page, a note that's worth half a beat is that 8th note. So our dotted quarter note is going to be equal to the quarter note plus the 8th note, 1 plus 1/2, and that is going to equal for us the dotted quarter note, 1.5 beats. Next, we have the half note. Half note is worth 2 beats. Half rest is worth 2 beats. Remember, the half rest looks like a hat. So, half of 2 equals 1. What note is worth 1? The quarter note. So the half note of 2 plus the quarter note of 1 is going to give us 3. Should have drawn the dotted half note there, so we'll put it over here. Here's our dotted half note. Remember, the dot goes to the right side of the note. And last but not least, we have the whole note. The whole note and the whole rest are both equal to 4 beats. Again, we're all assuming this is in 4/4 time, where the quarter note gets 1 beat. We also call this a whole rest because if we think of this as the ground, then it looks like a hole in the ground. So now we have 4. We need to find out what the dot is going to be. So we multiply that times 1/2. Half of 4 is 2. What note is worth 2? That's going to be a half note. So then our whole note of 4 plus our half note of 2 is going to give us 6 and our dotted whole note. So just a quick review. Dotted 8th note, 3/4 of a beat. Dotted quarter note, 1.5 beats. Dotted half note, 3 beats. And our dotted whole note, 6 beats. Focus.